Right, so now you guys know how to start generating organic traffic on Facebook. The next one that we are going to look at is TikTok. Now, TikTok is something that I really grew fond of because we had a TikTok bootcamp in my mentorship group. And TikTok has always been a little bit of a sore point because it's difficult for a lot of people to stand in front of a camera, but you don't have to if you understand how. You don't have to stand in front of a camera. I personally, it took me making 5 videos talking into a camera and I was comfortable. At first took me like 3 months of just filming myself, and that didn't quite work in getting myself comfortable in front of the camera. So the moment I started speaking into the camera and just took a plunge and did it, it took me very quickly to realize that it's actually not that bad. No one's going to bite me, no one's going to judge me, nothing's going to happen, no one's going to shoot me, nothing. It's not that bad. But if you have reasons for not wanting to show your face on TikTok, obviously you don't have to. There are plenty of accounts where you don't show your face. But TikTok is such a great traffic source, and this is why I decided to include it into this course itself, because it is such a good platform at the moment, and because of TikTok's rise to fame, and now Facebook is getting a little bit jealous with their Instagram and Facebook Reels. They are now pushing short form content as well. So now it's just the battle of all these big platforms, and everyone's trying to push your content out more and become famous here, become famous there. And so this is now really the right time to start trying out all these different things. And specifically TikTok, you have to, well, not have to, but it's a really good source of traffic. So there are a few simple keys of getting traffic to your TikTok account. And there's a lot of people that's way better than I am at it. And you should actually go learn from them rather than me. But a couple of tips that I can give you: don't reinvent the wheel. The main thing about TikTok is the algorithm favors certain types of content within your niche, and it's becoming an SEO based platform now. So what you say, what you type on the screen, all those things do matter. The one thing that I can mention is that TikTok native text is the important one to use, and the main important thing to remember as well is that it's now becoming SEO based. So when you see good videos in your niche, not duplicate or copy them, but emulate them. Look at the content that is being, let's say for instance a video has gone viral. Look at the content itself. Look at the context of the content. Why do you think did it go viral? Then play around with it. You try different hashtags, try different music, try different hooks, all those sort of things. And then eventually you'll get to something where where you can see that this is the sort of stuff that your followers resonate with. Now, to build followers, a lot of people go for the vanity metrics like views and likes and stuff like that. And yes, they are important. But at the end of the day, those aren't the things that's going to be making you money. So do not be discouraged if you get like 300 views on a video. It doesn't matter. If you do get thousands and hundreds of thousands of views on your video, just make sure it's for the right thing. And this is why when you create your content for TikTok, you need to make sure that it's congruent within your niche. You can have a couple of sub niches as well. Like for myself personally, I love personal motivation and business motivation as well. And I think it's very relevant to this sort of line of business that we are in, because it's very difficult and it does work on your mind quite a bit. So having the right mindset, having some motivation every now and again is good. So these are things that are part of my I could say my library. So if I do look for content, I look for content that is a little bit more motivational as well. Then I've got my content where I talk about affiliate marketing. I've got my content that is about business motivation, and something about just general motivation as well, and a little bit of mindset. So these are the things that you need to figure out basically by playing around with it. And once you have 1,000 followers, then you put your link in there, and then you can send people that way. Obviously, TikTok is a little bit more complicated than that, and in the computer part of it, I will go a little bit more into detail of how to actually do certain things, and I will show you how to build your content library so that you can start playing around with these things. And once you do, it's actually so much fun, and it should be. And I mean, it relates into the videos. If people see that you're having fun, then you will most definitely be gaining authentic followers. And that's the cool thing, is the more authentic you are, the more authentic your followers are going to be. So this is the cool thing about TikTok. People are looking at the same thing here. People are looking for real, and they are looking for gritty, and they are looking for normal. So the more authentic, the more you are, the more unique you are, that is absolutely in your favor. And don't do stuff just for likes, because if you go viral for the wrong thing, for instance, you will gain a lot of followers, but then let's say, for instance, I'm making money online, and you went viral with a cat video. You're going to have a whole bunch of cat lovers. It's now all of a sudden your followers, because they think that you do cat videos, and then they're going to say, oh, wait, this is actually internet business. I'm not into that. And you're going to have a whole bunch of pissed off followers. So keep it within your niche. Don't go for the vanity metrics. They are absolutely pointless. They just make you feel good, but they don't make you money. And yeah, invest in taking the time and learning how to use TikTok, because TikTok is such a great big net of getting people into your funnel, on the top level of the funnel. And that is the best part of TikTok. You can cast quite a wide net with it. It has its limitations. There are issues with it. But if I can highly recommend, it is a great platform to use. And I will basically show you down below just a couple of tips on how we were taught how to use that. Cool. See you there.